Now, moving on to another controversy. After Chandigarh, another storm seems to be brewing over the municipal polls in Delhi. The polls to elect the new mayor and deputy mayor of the Municipal Corporation of Delhi that were slated for today have been postponed. This, as the presiding officer is yet to be nominated. Now, Lieutenant Governor V.K. Saxena in a letter to the civic body said, and I quote, that he does not deem it appropriate to appoint the presiding officer in the absence of inputs from the chief minister. Citing regulations, the LG's office says the presiding officer is picked from recommendations submitted by the Chief Minister, and since Arvind Kejriwal is in judicial custody, the Chief Minister's office has not been able to access him. Now, the AAP is alleging a BJP conspiracy behind this, and the Aam Aadmi Party has alleged that the BJP appointed Lieutenant Governor's office has cancelled the elections despite there being permission from the Election Commission and all preparations being in place.
मेयर और डिप्टी मेयर का चुनाव होना था और एलजी साहब के पास फाइल मूव करी गई थी जो कि प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर को नियुक्त करने की थी, पर वहां से जब फाइल वापस आई तो वहां पर कमेंट दिया गया है कि इलेक्शन को पोस्टपोन किया जाता है क्योंकि उनका कहना है कि चीफ मिनिस्टर के ओपिनियन के बिना वो प्रिसाइडिंग ऑफिसर को नियुक्त नहीं कर सकते। लास्ट मोमेंट पे आज उन्होंने अपने फाइल पर कमेंट दिया। ये साफ साफ दर्शाता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी को एक डर है, वो चाहते ही नहीं है कि आम आदमी पार्टी का मेयर इस चुनाव में जीते।
This eternal battle is continuing between the LG and the Delhi government. Viewers, we'll get you more updates.